Bila mengingat sosok Jimmy Carter, banyak yang mengidentikan Presiden ke-39 Amerika Serikat tersebut dengan lembaga nirlaba Habitat for Humanity, organisasi yang membangun rumah untuk warga yang membutuhkan.
Well, I think of President Carter and his work with Habitat for Humanity. There's a number of Habitat for Humanity housing near where I live.
If you're in public service, you're here to serve people. So that's the most important quality. And leading by example. You know, he had Bible study, he did Habitat for Humanity.
Tak lama setelah Carter wafat pada akhir Desember, pimpinan Habitat for Humanity termasuk yang ikut memberi penghormatan di markas organisasi Carter Center di Atlanta.
Well, most people think President Carter started and ran Habitat for Humanity, which is not the case. But what is true is that when he got involved in 1984, that put it on the map. It was a tiny organization, and no one had ever seen a former president of the United States sleeping in a church basement, physically working on rehabbing a tenement building on the Lower East Side of Manhattan. Everywhere he went, he raised up volunteers and supporters and advocates for the cause of affordable housing. And so it's really hard to separate Habitat and President Carter in terms of the depth of impact he and Mrs. Carter had.
Dalam wawancara tahun 2015 dengan kantor berita Associated Press, Jimmy Carter menjelaskan alasannya aktif dalam organisasi ini.
My whole public life has been devoted to keeping the peace and promoting human rights. And I think a basic human right of a human being is to have a decent place in which to live.
Seorang penerima bantuan Habitat for Humanity masih ingat ketika mantan Presiden Jimmy Carter dan mantan Ibu Negara Rosalynn Carter turun langsung untuk membantu membangun rumahnya di Atlanta pada 1988.
He was just like everybody else out here working, and she were too. They built my back porch, him and her, and we was out there just talking, and he was building me and her and him. He was cutting the wood and everything, you know.
Sally Mae ikut sedih begitu mendengar kabar wafatnya Carter.
If it wasn't for Jimmy Carter, I would still be going from apartment to apartment. He put me in this house, and I'm planning on staying here until they take me out of it. And here, so I thank him for it. I really do.
Berawal sebagai organisasi relatif kecil di dekat Atlanta, negara bagian Georgia, Habitat for Humanity kini aktif di sekitar 70 negara. Tak hanya membangun perumahan untuk mereka yang kurang mampu, tapi juga terlibat dalam rekonstruksi pasca bencana. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.